Hoppy the schemer, dreamer, sky redeemer, blueprint scatter, mind sharper than the cleaver. Motors hum, so the sparks on the table. His hands like wizards, conjuring flight from cables. Tinkering past midnight, eyes redder than Mars. Propeller spin faster than Hollywood cars. In his lab, every screw got a story. Turning scrap into legends, tech purgatory. Hoppy the Aviator, contraption creator. Sky's no limit for the innovator. FPV goggles on, his vision's clear. A pilot in the clouds, we cheer, we cheer. Racing quads dance, pirouettes in the breeze. Loops tighter than the knots in my knees. Hoppy grins wide, transmitter in hand. Controls the chaos, aerial command. Duct tape on the wings, but it still soars. Breaking every rule, shattering laws. Newton shakes his head, gravity bends. When Hoppy's in the zone, the sky never ends. Gadgets and gizmos, circuits ablaze. Mad scientist, flow drone, ballet plays. Is it magic or madness? Who could decide? Hoppy's creations defy and glide.